Okay, this is going to be the segment addition postulate. These notes are going to be levels 1 through 3. The segment addition postulate is if A, B, and C are collinear. Collinear means they are on the same line. Let me fix this. Collinear. And B is between A and C. Then AB plus BC equals AC. This is pretty common sense. If I have a line segment and I have 3 points that are collinear and B is between A and C, then this segment, AB, plus this segment, BC, equals the full length. So let's just go through a couple of examples here. So I'm going to label these points I, J, and K. If I don't know what IJ is, but JK is 3, and I know that the full length is 10, then tell me what IJ equals. Good. So all you did was subtract 10 minus 3, right? That's level 1. So I think all of you can get at least a level 1. Here's another example of a level 1 question. I will give it to you in Word format. You have to draw it and then solve it. It's just as easy. So if I say that BC equals 2 and AB equals 11, find AC. So you would draw the segment and tell me what AC equals. Right? So you draw your line segment. Here's C. Here's A. B is probably here because BC is 2 and AB is 11. So what does AC equal? $13. All right, so that's level 1. Here's level 2. So you'll need to set up an equation to solve this. So if I want to know the length of ST, I'm going to have to know what X is. So we need to set up an equation to find X and then substitute that back into X plus 6 to find the length of ST. So let's set up the equation. For the segment addition postulate, we would say that x plus 1 plus x plus 6 equals 7. So this is 2x plus 7 equals 7. It is, okay. 2x equals 7. Divide by 2. So x equals 0. Which I guess that works because 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And the total length is 7. So what is the length of ST? ST is 6. RT is 7. All right, let me give you one in words. Find BC if AB equals x plus 5, BC equals x plus 4, and AC equals 15. So draw your line segment, label it, and then set up the equation so that you can solve for x. So the first step is solving for x. Second step is substituting it back in so you can find the length of BC. So my equation will be x plus 5 plus x plus 4 equals 15. This is 2x plus 9. X equals 3. So now that I know that x equals 3, remember you're not done because I didn't say what is x. I need to know what BC is. So what is BC? Seven. Because now I just do 3 plus 4. So BC equals 7. All right, that is level 2. Let me show you level 3. Level 3 involves the skills that we used on the day 2 review. So there's going to be an x on both sides of the equal sign. So you need to be comfortable with solving equations where the variable is on both sides for level 3. So to set up our equation for this one, we need 7 plus x plus 3 equals 3x minus 6. So combine like terms on the left side. This is going to become x plus 10 equals 3x minus 6. Now I need the variable to be on the same side. I like the variable on the left, so I will subtract 3x from the right side to eliminate it. Now I have negative 2x plus 10 equals negative 6. Okay, and then we just subtract 10. Divide by negative 2. So now I know that x equals 8 Now let's go back to the original problem. It says find ij. So what is ij? 11, because I just take 8 plus 3, and that gives me 11. Okay, that's your level 3 type of problem. Let me give you one in word form, and then I will let you move on to the practice. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to do this one. All right, looks like most people are done. So tell me what answer you got. What is the length of AC? 22. Good. Okay. I have the practice on paper back here.